How to fix phone screen flickering problem. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we will learn how we can fix if you have got flickering on your phone screen. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First and foremost, start your phone. Sometimes a simple restart clears temporary glitches causing flicker, so simply restart your device and check whether your problem is solved or not. If that does not help you, then update your phone or the application. So in order to update your device or your system, navigate to the settings in a mobile device. So search for settings and then open up settings in your device. Under settings, scroll down and then tap on system. Here tap on software update and you have to update or install the available update in your mobile device. So once you update the device, you can close this. And also make sure to update all of the application via the Play Store. So you can simply open up Play Store in your device. So once you open a Play Store, navigate to top right corner, tap on your profile icon. Here tap on Manage Apps and Device, and here wait for a while until it is checking for all of the updates, and if the updates are available, make sure to update all of the application. Once you do that, now you can close settings and then check whether your problem is solved or not. If that still does not help you, then your brightness settings can also cause the flickering effect, so reduce brightness. For that, you can disable the adaptive auto brightness and then turn off any other blue light filters or night mode temporarily. For that, you can open up settings in your device, head towards the display, and on the display you will have the brightness features that you can reduce. Once you do that, go back and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If nothing works out for you, then you can factory reset your data, but make sure to back up all of your important data first, since after you factory reset your device, all of your data will get erased. So once you have backed up all of your data, go to the settings, tap on system, head towards the reset options, and from here you can reset all data or erase all of the data, and that's gonna two-factor reset your device, and that may help you solve your problem. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.